Good day, my name is Aljon Chavez of Bachelor of Technology major in Garments 1B. So today we will find our mean median mode by the provided range and frequency. So we already have our range and frequency. So next we will find out how to find our class mark. So to find our class mark, we will just add our first range over 2. So 1 plus 10 over 2 is equal to 5.5. So to make it easier, we will just add 10 to the first mark. So 5.5 plus 10 is equal to 15.5. The 15.5 plus 10 is equal to 25.5. 25.5 plus 10 is equal to 35.5. Then 35.5 plus 10 is equal to 45.5. So we already have our class mark. So next we will find out on how to find our frequency class mark. So to find our frequency class mark, we will just multiply our frequency and class mark. So 2 times 5.5 is equal to 11. 7 times 15.5 is equal to 108.5. 10 times 25.5 is equal to 255. 3 times 35.5 is equal to 106.5. 1 times 45.5 is equal to 45.5. So the total of our frequency class mark or our summation is 226.5. So next we will find out on how to find our cumulative frequency. So to find it, our first frequency number 2 we will bring up here. So our cumulative frequency number 2, we will add it to the second frequency number 7. So 2 plus 7 is equal 9. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. 19 plus 3 is equal to 22. Then 22 plus 1 is equal to 23. So our cumulative frequency is right because our sample size is 23. So our sample size and cumulative frequency is the same. So now we will compute our mean. So mean is equal to summation over sample size is equal to, so our summation is 526.5, then our sample size is 23. So 526.5 over 23 is equal to 22.89. So this is our mean. So next, we will find the median. To find the median, we will divide first our sample size. So our sample size is number 23. So 23 over 2 is equal to 11.5. So next, we will find our low boundary of median class. So 10 plus 11 over 2 is equal to 21 over 2 is equal to 10.5. So our lower boundary of median class is 10.5. So now we will compute the median. Median is equal to lower boundary of median class plus sample size over 2 minus lower class of median class over frequency of median class times interval. So to find our interval is based on our range. So the interval of our range is 10. So median is equal to 10.5 plus 23 over 2 minus 2 over 7 times 10. So this is our interval. median minus 10.5 plus 11.5 minus 2 over 7 times 10. So we divided this sample size over 2 is equal to 11.5. So next, median is equal to 10.5 plus 9.5 over 7 times 10. So 11.5 minus 2 is equal to 9.5. So median is equal to 10.5 plus 1.357 times 10. So 9.5 over 7 is equal to 1.337. So median is equal to 10.5 plus 13.57. So to find this 13.57, we multiply this 1.357 times 10. So this is the equal. Then 10.5 plus 13.57 is equal to 24.07. So this is our median. So now we will proceed to compute our mode. So mode is equal to lower boundary of modal class plus frequency of modal class minus frequency before the modal class over 2 times frequency of modal class minus frequency before modal class minus frequency after modal class times interval. So to find our lower boundary of modal class, we will add the 10 plus 11 over 2 is equal to 21 over 2 is equal to 10.5. So 10.5 is our lower boundary of modal class. So now we will compute our mode. So mode is equal to 10.5 plus 7 minus 2 over 2 times 7 minus 2 minus 10 times 10. So our frequency of modal class is 7. Then our frequency before the modal class is number 2. And our frequency after modal class is number 10. So mode is equal to 10.5 plus 5 over 14 minus 2 times 10. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then 2 times 7 is equal to 14. Then negative 2 minus 10 is equal to 12. So mode is equal to 10.5 plus 5 over 2 times 10. So mode is equal to 10.5 plus 50 over 2. So to find this 50, we just multiply the 5 and our interval. So the equal of this is 50. Then mode is equal to 10.5 plus 25. So to find this 25, we just divided this 50 into 2. So the equal of this is 25. So 10.5 plus 25 is equal to 35.5. So our mode is 35.5.